How to generate incredible text-to-speech in ChatGPT. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, then type in chat.openai.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the login page. Type in your ChatGPT account's credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of interface. ChatGPT now offers an amazing feature called Read Aloud, which allows you to listen to responses in your preferred language. Whether you are multitasking, having visual impairments, or simply prefer audio-based information, this feature makes ChatGPT more versatile and inclusive. Here's how can you make the most out of this incredible text-to-speech capability. Over here, you just have to give a prompt and then click on this arrow icon. And just with that, ChatGPT will provide you the answers. After it provides you the answers, at the bottom left you'll find different icons. You will see this icon over here, Read Aloud. By clicking on this icon, ChatGPT will read out this text for you. Also, you are able to change the voice. ChatGPT's Read Aloud feature utilizes a state-of-the-art text-to-speech model trained on massive datasets of text and corresponding audio recordings. This allows it to accurately replicate human speech patterns, intonations, and emphasis, providing a natural-sounding speech experience. In order to get access to this feature, you will need to upgrade your ChatGPT account to the ChatGPT Plus. If you want to do so, click on this option of ChatGPT Plus given at the bottom left corner. Select the option of My Plan. Over here, you're gonna find different plan of ChatGPT Plus. Go ahead and select any of these. After you upgrade your ChatGPT account to the Plus version, you will get access to this feature. Clicking on this icon, this text will be converted to this speech.
Title: The Impact of Exchange Rate Fluctuations on Internet.
You are also able to change the voice. If you want to do so, click on this option of ChatGPT Plus. Now click on this option of Settings. Now navigate to this option of Speech. Over here you will find the option of Voice. Click on that drop down and from here you can select any of these options. After you select it, you can close this. Now you can play this speech.
Title: The Impact of Exchange Rate Fluctuations on.
Well, this way you can easily use this feature on ChatGPT. Likewise, if you want to use this speech for any of your video, what you can do is open any of the recording app. For instance, I'm using OBS Studio. After you open it, now you can click on this option of Start Recording. And now you can click on this icon and start this speech. So this way you can easily generate incredible text-to-speech in ChatGPT. With ChatGPT's Read Aloud feature, generating incredible text-to-speech experiences is now easier than ever. Whether you are using the web app or the mobile app, this feature allows you to listen to responses in your preferred language, making ChatGPT conversations more engaging, accessible, and convenient. Try it out today and experience the power of natural-sounding speech right at your fingertips.